Network maps, routing maps, rec plans, patch panels. Oh my God, there's so much visualization out there. It's hard to get started at all. So let's get some help using Docusnap. Our way with visualizations is in a multiple manner. What we do is to inventory agent-free, of course, and we then use the data that we inventory to deliver all kinds of visualization for you. That means we have diagrams, we have network maps, we have topologies, and the best thing, it's interactive. So in order to get a good overview over our visualizations in Docusnap, just keep on watching and follow me into the software. So there's our Docusnap dashboard in the well-known manner. In the top area we have the ribbon bar. On the left we have the data explorer with all the data inside, because we're in inventory right now. That's where all the things enter Docusnap. Basically, we have documentation that's for all the things that are to be exported or get out of Docusnap. And we have the license management, it's pretty self-explanatory, as well as the IT security, where we have our permission analysis. Now, in order to get a grasp of the various Docusnap visualizations, you can dive into the inventory, for example here, and check out the standard maps that we construct on demand here, or you can look at the communication paths where we depict the relations we found between ports, protocols, and applications. And of course, you can use that to be exported into types of Visio or PNG, HTML, or SVG. Now, in our case here, I would like to know which system has been found on which port. And for the case, I look into documentation, and here I find documents with the topology map, and this needs to be constructed or created. Now, in order to do that, you have either the possibility to create a whole documentation, or to create an overview, or to just select the topology map in this case. I already prepared that, and you can find it on our homepage in the sample documentation, where we would be extending this data explorer, find the topology map, and click on the switch to see which interface has which connection. Now, this is one example of a visualization that Docusnap does create on its own, but you also have the possibility or the option to create your own diagrams. For example, create a visualization on a security breach. On the right, you find the different data explorer you could use, and in special tree, you find only icons basically that are not part of the database. So in order to depict a security incident, I used, for example, the icon for stopped services. I set that in a relationship with our IT service, and the IT service has then to take care of these systems. And once you're on this level, actually, you are able to automatically resolve on several levels the relations between these servers. Because we're not only inventorying Windows or SNMP, but also Active Directory and backup exec and whatnot. So that's another way to get some data. And one other visualization that I want to show you is our business framework. And here you can basically relate the different processes or services to the hardware or the systems. And of course, you can again look at an export into Visio, HTML, PNG, or SVG. Another way would be to automate the export, for example, of a network map or of a diagram by sending it regularly or planning a job to be sent regularly to a colleague or to a responsible person by using the Docusnap concepts. And concepts enables you, of course, to combine several visualizations into one big document. And let's just check that out real quick. Here I can find a blank page, and I'd be just using the optional maps that we offer. For example, let's include the network map, but also a topology map on the next page. And this can be done using drag and drop functionality. And once that's done, I confirm with save. Of course, you can add your own information on the document, like subtitles or headlines or other text. And once you're happy with it, you can just schedule it as a job and, for example, here, select the relevant concepts that you want to export and define the types, including a possible versioning of an old concept or the recreation of the directory structure. Next thing would be to select the email recipients and, of course, schedule the whole thing. Thanks so much for checking out our visualizations. We hope we are able to save you a lot of time with that. Don't hesitate to get in touch, and don't hesitate to check out our Facebook, Twitter, our What's New section on the homepage, and of course, get in touch with us if there's anything you might need help with. So, Docusnap, we understand IT, and we wish you great success with your documentation.